Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Ethiopia together. This is Chelbesa from the Yirgacheffe region. The variety is Wolisho and Dega, and the process is classic washed. For more details on this coffee, please visit our webshop.
To extract the beautiful flavors of Chelbesa, please follow this recipe. You need 300 grams of third wave water. Set the kettle to 94 degrees Celsius. Weigh 18 grams of coffee and grind on click 18 of your Comandante for a balanced cup. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms your equipment. Now add the ground coffee and create a little indentation in the coffee bed. Get ready for the 2 pours. First pour 50 grams over 5 seconds, blooming. Release the trapped CO2 from the roast process. Then the second pour starting after only 20 seconds. The remaining 250 grams soft over 35 seconds in circular pouring, starting to release all those beautiful flavors of Chelbesa, ending with a center pour. Swirl at 1 minute and 15 seconds for an even extraction. The total brew time of Chelbesa from Ethiopia is 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Enjoy the flavors of jasmine, bergamot, melon, peach and apricot.